Hello everyone, this is Market Daily where I bring you the latest in trends and money. Today I'm going to discuss the recent story around one of the largest SPAC deal that is going on in the financial markets right now, the merger of Lucid and Churchill Capital or CCIV. For the past 4 weeks, CCIV stock has been increasing massively on the rumor that the fund is merging with Lucid Motor, arguably the most significant competitor to Tesla. As Tesla stock increased about tenfold last year, everyone is super excited to find the next growth stock in EV market that has the potential to do what Tesla did, which grew from a few $1 billion market capital to 200 billion and then all the way to 700 billion and joined the SP 500. After our today, it is officially announced that Lucid Motors is going public in merger with CCIV in an 11.75 billion equity value, bolstering Lucid visions to redefine luxury, performance and efficiency in the sustainable electric vehicle market. Market reacted violently to the news with CCIV stock price dropped about 30% from $57.37 a share to $40.01 in just half an hour of trading. For the past 1.5 months, CCIV stock has been flying from the low of $10.5 a share and building momentum on the expected definitive agreement or short DA or the confirmation of the merger to the all-time high at $62 a share, that is 6 times fold. And obviously after a major surge in such a short time and the news is actually out, everyone is trying to get the money out or trying to lock in the profit. After hours volume is crazily high and I can see that a lot of heavy holders sold their shares and locked in the profit. If you believe Lucid is going to perform well in the long run, then jumping in at $40 is not a bad idea at all. For me personally, $60 is really a bit of a stretch for a company that has not produced any actual car, but at $40 it might be justifiable given Lucid is going to invest heavily into its self-driving and its battery technology is claiming to be on par with Tesla. Majority of tech stocks have suffered pullback today as everyone is nervous about Powell's testimony this week. In fact, we will be hearing a lot of news speculating inflation and potentially raising interest rate. So let me explain a bit here. If there is inflation, bank will have to raise nominal interest rate, the rate which it lends out the money to you or anyone else, in order to have a real interest rate, which is the nominal rate minus the inflation rate. So when cost of money is higher, the institutions which borrowed money to invest will be forced to roll out some of the more risky stocks, in this case the growth stocks or mainly the tech companies. So we expect to see more pullback if Powell decides to raise interest rate. However, if Powell says the interest rate is not likely to be raised until next year or even 2023, stocks will soar for sure. With low interest rate and new stimulus package coming confirmed by Yellen, growth stocks will bounce in no time. Currently, investors are very excited about Lucid as the company is finishing its factory and will ramp up production as soon as the merger is completed, so they have more cash to fund the operations. Lucid Motors seems to follow the same marketing strategies as Tesla by offering the most expensive model, Lucid Air luxury sedan first, to brand its company as luxurious EV car like Tesla did with the Model S, and maybe a SUV next, and finally the cheaper EV. So the company already introduced Lucid Dream Drive, which is a autopilot system. As of now, Lucid Dream Drive is functional only on highway, whereas Tesla is about to introduce full self-driving, which can operate even in metropolitan area. Other EV makers do not have autopilot system as advanced as Lucid, where they offer lane assist, no cruise control, headlight assist, auto parking, pull-up control, and so on. So we could see that Lucid is really dipping their toes into their Lucid Dream autopilot system, and together with its claimed battery power, Lucid looks so much like Tesla when it was first introduced to the world. It has clear goals and path and already developing at rapid rate. In fact, you can actually pre-order for Lucid car right now on their website. So the reaction in pricing today after hour is purely sell the news kind of tactic. Some people try to lock in their gains, but if you believe that Lucid is going to make a lot of money selling cars next year, then you could wait for today's session to decide if you want to invest in this company for the long run or not. I personally believe in the long run, Lucid has a great chance of gaining market shares and make a name on EV map of the world. So it's up to you to decide if you want to invest or not. And my only advice is not to buy when the market opens. You wait for it to consolidate and then you decide whether you want to go in today or tomorrow. If you want to hold a stock, buying today makes no difference from buying tomorrow or even the next day, because the holding period is what matters, and the price target for the future is what matters. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more content and research, and goodbye for now.